Hi everyone, this is Uwezbek. Welcome to VFX 101. Today we will complete the remaining class Black Widow film title. Okay, I type the Black Widow text, font name Captain America. First, create a solid layer. And apply Element 3D plugin. Go to the custom layer setting. Click custom text and mask. Select the Black Widow layer on the path layer 1. Hide text layer. Then go to the scene setup and click extrude. Okay, next apply the metal texture from Pro Shader 2. Adjust the UV map. Apply light preset 360. Change the environment. Adjust the specular and environment multiple value. Hit OK. Next, enable the ambient occlusion and shadow. Select lighting preset 360. Okay, now the time add red color point light. Change the light position behind the text. Duplicate the light and set the position. Create a solid layer. Let's import the Black Widow logo. Create a camera layer with the 50mm preset. And create a zoom in animation with the help of position keys. Select start and end keyframes and press F9 for easy as. Now play the video. Cool. Okay, apply the level effect to adjust the contrast. Select the logo layer and apply glow effect. First select AB colors, then change the colors. Adjust the glow threshold and radius value. Now play the video. Great. Next, render separately Black Widow logo and text. Press Ctrl M and select QuickTime format with animation format option. And make sure your video output channel must be RGB plus alpha. Select the save file destination and hit render. Now the time to render the text. Okay, next create new composition and drag 3 videos on timeline. First one is Black Widow walk cycle animation. Second is text layer. And third is logo. Now set the logo and text layer position. Duplicate the Black Widow walk layer and set the timeline on a logo. And create a mask on the Black Widow walk layer. Animate the mask. Select Black Widow walk layer and create fade out effect when logo is up here. Select the logo layer and create fade in effect on a start. Now play the video. Awesome. Next, select the Black Widow text layer and draw a thin mask just like a rectangle. Select mask type is subtract and animate a mask like a line cross the text. Apply same step on black text. Next, create solid layer for lens flare and apply optical lens flare. Change color into red and create position keyframe animation. Duplicate the lens layer and set the position on black text. Now play the video. I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful to you, share more much as more. Subscribe the VFX 101 and must press the bell icon. Thank you.